thought I'd make a little video for you, Andy, to show you what's going on. So obviously got the engine kind of in. I mean, it's not in. You can see where this is supposed to line up, right? But these things come out, and these are kind of dry rotted. So I ordered these new cushiony kind of things that sit in here to help with the engine mount. I got the two. See these things? Kind of rubber with the metal inside. They go in there. I got new ones down here, but these I decided to order, so I can't bolt it in until those are in. But top end's all new and everything. So now what I'll probably do today is, I didn't want to put the clutch in it and just make it heavier and heavier to pick up. So, but I can put the clutch in now, and whatever the hell goes on here, cover or whatever. I don't think there's really anything that goes underneath here. That's it. I want to take the wheels off. Then I have a stone for these, and I want to take these rotors off, and I want to grind these, not grind them, but you know, you can really clean those up nice, and then see if I can figure out what brake pads these are, since this isn't, and buy like new front brakes for it so they match, you know. I mean, so I got new stuff, just a couple little things like that. And then I got to figure out how to hook all this. Shouldn't be a big deal, but you know, there's different O-rings and stuff that go in this radiator, and this is actually the stock radiator from the Kawasaki, and most people have bigger radiators, like the actual bikes that were raced back then. So I'm like, I wonder if I should put a bigger one on. But on the other hand, back then oil was shit compared to now, like back in the 80s. So now if you run modern super ultra synthetic, you know, oil, you probably can run it a little hotter. So, and then I got to remember how some of this went together, because there's this like yellow catch can down in here. I don't know where it all went. It's gonna be, hopefully shit will make sense and I can figure out how it all went back together. That's that. So I'll get to work. Here's kind of my lineup. I just got a bunch of new oil for both cars, and I'm gonna put some change of oil in my pressure washer. And then I think ultimately this is the oil I'm gonna run in your dad's bike. 1550. I have 1560, but I think I'm gonna run this AMSOIL. But what I'm gonna do first is I got this oil that I like. It's more conventional, just break-in oil. It's got a lot of zinc in it and whatever. But that's it. I mean, I really cleaned this place up. It was a mess from having that thing apart. But anyway, I'll see if I can get the clutch in it today. Somewhere I got here, see, I got brand new spark plugs. I got a brand new clutch. I'll find it in the manual section on the clutch somewhere in here. I'll figure it out. All right, that's the update. See you.